What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today I'm going to be doing a little walk around on this 1965 Ford Mustang. Does have a believed to be 289 under the hood. Runs and drives very good. We're in the middle of a test drive right now. I stopped off in this church parking lot because it's nice and quiet, won't have any interruptions, and we can point out all the flaws on this car. I could give you some undercarriage shots, let you check out the trunk, do the interior. We're going to go all over it and make sure we don't miss anything here. Went ahead and opened the trunk so I'm not fumbling keys. Flipping the camera around, did the same with the hood. It's the only reason they're already open. We get the tag off here and throw it in the trunk or whatever we got to do. We could start with the trunk if we want. Might as well, we're already back here. Go ahead and pull this mat. I didn't prep this car or anything. I did wipe it off on the outside. See a little bit of surface rust popping up in there. Let you check some of these panels out. Look up under the window where rust problems are known to exist. Throw it over on this side as well. Check this out. Just kind of give you an all-around look in the trunk. I made a mess. Weather stripping's got a little bit of overspray on it, but for the most part it's soft, and I just washed the car. We've had a couple of rainstorms pass through randomly. Don't see any water or moisture in here, so that's good. Go ahead and shut the trunk down. Just making sure the keys were inside the car. The trunk shuts easy. Back bumper on this car looks awesome. Looks like it's fairly new. Nicely clean. Same with the tail lights there. They don't look too bad. Gas cap as well. Go ahead and put my tag back on. Those to me look like they got a little bit of rust on those exhaust tips. Some of the chrome's coming off of them. Working our way around here. Looking down the side of the car, it's very straight, very clean looking car. Nice tires all the way around. American racing wheels, some polished wheels. Trunk doesn't line up perfectly, a little high back here in the corner. Paint's got a good shine to it. All the trim looks pretty good. Around the back windows, I think that's had to been replaced. That looks nice. Did the same with this trim here, but around the back window, it's got some pitting on it. Same with the door handles. Let's look at the mirrors. They're in good shape as well. Front trim, nice and clean. Checking the bottoms of the doors right here. I don't see any bubbles. I don't really even see any chips. It does have that protective trim people put on there for door dings. Front bumper looks like it's been replaced as well. A little pitting going on, turn signal. Pretty good up front here. This light here needs to be adjusted. It looks a little low. No power steering on this car here. Does run and drive really good. Want you to check out the test drive video. Shifts on the higher side, so by the time it shifts you're running about 40. We will be shutting the hood towards the end and seeing what it looks like. I want to go ahead and walk around the rest of the car and start it up for you. A little bit of a crack down here in the bottom below the bumper. Bottoms of the door on this side are nice. All the panels look nice. I'm not seeing any rust bubbles or chips in the paint, hardly at all on this one. Same defects on the trim as the driver's side. Made our way around the car here. Let's go ahead and check the interior out now. Seats are in great condition here. Headliner's a little bit wrinkled, needs to be stretched out. Carpet doesn't look bad. Door panel looks like it's got a little bit of overspray up here in the front. Weather stripping around the door. A little dry on the top. A little dry all the way around, but still should be working the way it feels. I'll give you some under door shots here. It's like a little bit of surface rust trying to pop up through there. Point all that out. Let's go ahead and sit here, see what works and what don't. One thing we always do, play a little game, go ahead and place your bets on the horn. Do you think the horn works? We're gonna go ahead and start it up first before we do that. I think it's got a fuel pump. I seen it under the hood actually. Let's try the horn out. It clicks, but it doesn't beep. Go ahead and try the windshield wipers. They do work. It's like fairly new blades on there. The gas gauge, we stopped at the gas station on the test drive and it works. $20 got you about half a tank. I noticed on the engine temp, it come up to about right there and it stopped. So it didn't go up anymore. Blower motor does work, no AC, should have heat. Showing 38,000 miles on the dash here. I can't stand behind that. Motors be changed out. This is a 65 model. Speedo did work as we were driving down the road. Seemed all good. Radio works.
From this 10K.
Motor's nice and quiet. See that fuel pump. Go ahead and shut the hood down. We'll see how well it lines up. Check it over as well. Looks pretty good. It was shutting really easy. Hinges are in good shape there. Let's see what we got going on here. We'll pull that hinge up and then set this hood down so I don't break nothing here. Sitting high on this side. Remember I said that that was sitting down low? Sound like electric fan just kicked on. Hood's sitting a little high right here. I want to give you some undercarriage shots and let you look underneath. If you're not satisfied with these, jump on my website, maplemotors.com. We'll try to help you out, get you some more photos. You can jump on them close to 100. We're going to start in the front here, look up under the front, go to the passenger side, go to the rear, and the driver's side. Head on over here to the passenger side. Now to the back. Then to the driver's side. Guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you like this show, definitely hit the subscribe button. I post vehicles every single day. I'll try to help you out as best as I can. Jump on maplemotors.com. Look at the detailed pictures, all of our inventory. Make sure this car is still available. I always mark sold if they're already sold. So if it says it in the description, it is what it is. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you like the video, you can get the same equipment that I'm using. Just go down into the description. I'll put all the links to everything that I use. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a good one.